The JBL FLIP 5 delivers powerful JBL Signature Sound with deep bass in a compact and portable design. With IPX7 waterproof protection and long battery life, it's perfect for travel, outdoor fun, and everyday music listening. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL FLIP 5 Bluetooth speaker, USB-C charge cable, and user manual. How to pair. To connect the JBL FLIP 5 to your iPhone, first open the Bluetooth settings by swiping down to access the notification bar, then press and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter Bluetooth settings. Make sure your iPhone is disconnected from any other Bluetooth devices and that Bluetooth is turned on. Next, power on the speaker using the power button and hold it for a few seconds if needed. Press the Bluetooth button once to enter pairing mode, then look for JBL FLIP 5 under available devices on your iPhone and tap it to connect. Once connected, your speaker is ready to use for music, videos, and calls. How to charge. The JBL FLIP 5 Bluetooth speaker charges through its USB-C port, making it quick and convenient to power up. Simply connect the USB-C cable to the speaker and plug the other end into a charger, laptop, PC, or any compatible power source. It supports fast and flexible charging, so you can easily recharge it anywhere and keep your music going without long interruptions. Smart features? Powerful JBL Signature Sound delivers clear audio with strong bass for an immersive listening experience. It provides loud and balanced performance, making music enjoyable both indoors and outdoors. IPX7 waterproof design protects the speaker from water immersion, making it safe for poolside, beach, and outdoor use. It can withstand accidental splashes, rain, and short-term submersion without damaging the speaker. Up to 12 hours of battery life lets you enjoy continuous music playback on a single charge. It is ideal for all-day use, whether you're traveling, partying, or relaxing outdoors. PartyBoost speaker pairing lets you connect multiple compatible JBL speakers for louder, wider sound. It enhances your listening experience by creating a bigger, more powerful stereo or party setup. Rugged and portable build features a durable exterior that can handle outdoor use and everyday travel with ease. Its compact cylindrical design makes it easy to carry anywhere without compromising on strength or performance. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JBL FLIP 5 Bluetooth speaker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL FLIP 5 Bluetooth speaker. See you at the next one.